What's up, guys? Trade recap, and I'm gonna use this video explanation for Sarah. Sarah, the reason you lose money trade crypto is because you are trade coins without volume. Okay, you gotta pay attention to something. Volume is confirmation. Let me give you this example here. We made 160% on this coin. You don't see people talk about this coin because those moves they happen very fast. Let me show you this example here. I shared this trade in the private list 2 days ago on October 20. We bought this coin for $26 and we put a sell order right here $70. Okay, 160%. I made $16,000. But I got a confirmation about the volume come to this coin, and right here on October 17, you see those candles down here, Sarah. So basically, before the pump, that is the pre-pump. That's why my soft has been doing 24/7, and I'm focused on the first 3,000 coin with more volume. Like this is the coin have volume spike right now, okay? But there is not the reason of this video. This is a trade recap. So I got the volume spike and my soft alert on October 17. So I share my trade in the private list for private list members. Buy this coin 2 days ago on October 20. Okay, so we bought for 26, sold for 7, 160%. That's how you make money. Okay. By the way, let me give you a quick example why you don't make money. You see the main cryptos? Take a look at those 7-day charts. They all similar, okay? This is the main cryptos: Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Polygon. Okay, the reason you don't make money because you are trade coins without volume. So you see those coins here? They have no volume. That's the reason the charts look all the same. The another side, let me show the trade recap. The coins we just traded on the last 3 days. You see the charts? They are totally different. If you compare the charts, let me make this screen smaller. Take a look at the difference between the coins we trade and the main coins, what everybody is buying and holding. They are losing money because if Bitcoin goes down, all those cryptos going down. So we do what we do in this channel, we trade price action, volume spike plus buyer power. We buy low and sell up high, plain and simple. On the last 3 days, we just made 410% on those coins. We trade Klaytn, fantomGO, RUFF, original dollar, governments, YFDAI.FINANCE. By the way, if you are watching this video, you want to free trade platform to trade, you don't have to spend $600 with TradingView. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. If you like to get those trades in real time, just reach me out, okay? And another thing, guys, Sarah, like I mentioned before by the phone, my software is tracking the entire market, guys. Let me show you the swing trade up here. What the trades I share in the private list. All those trades I share in the private list. So that's all you gotta do. Thanks for your time and have a blessed day. Bye bye.